Welcome to Body Healthy Elements. If the world has learned something about fitness during the pandemic, it is that body weight exercises have won a place in any fitness training program. These exercises are not only convenient but also prove that you can build muscle and strength without going to the gym or having expensive settings at home. Body weight exercises may sound as simple as pulling, pushing, or jumping. But you will be surprised to find that even with the smallest changes, they can become more challenging. Have you tried or heard of push-ups? What about pistol squats? These are just two of the many body weight exercises that can build your muscle. Watch this video till the end to learn more about them. Best 5 body weight exercises make your muscles grow, no gym. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are very suitable for improving your upper body pushing strength. These exercises will increase muscle mass, endurance, and strength, depending on the amount of training, the number of sets, and frequency. How to do. In the beginning, place your weight on your toes, place your hands under your shoulders, and straighten your body. Make sure your core remains locked so you can form a straight line between your head, glutes, and heels. Then, lower your body until your chest is an inch off the ground, and then push up explosively by fully extending your arms. Number 2. Pistol squat. Pistol squat is an advanced body weight exercise that can also challenge your glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, core muscles, and hip adductors. How to do. Stand with your arms straightened in front of your body. Keep it at shoulder level and keep your arms parallel to the floor. Lift your right leg from the floor and place it in front of you. Push your hips back and lower your torso as much as possible. Pause, then push your body back to the starting position. Number 3. Step up with knee raises. Single leg training, such as raising the knee, helps strengthen stabilizing muscles and helps even out imbalances. How to do. First, take a bench or box and place it in front of you. Step on it with one foot. When you step on the ground, drive with your other foot, raising your knees as high as possible. Put it back in place, and then back to the floor. Do the same thing on the other side. Number 4. Star planks. Planking, again and again, will eventually exhaust you, not to mention that it no longer provides the same ab-smoking burn anymore. Instead of old-style plank, try star planks, which are also great for gaining muscles. How to do. Get into a press-up position. From there, move your palms and toes outward and away from your body until they form an X shape. By supporting your core, maintain a flat line from head to hips and toes. Maintain the required time, and then walk back to the initial position. Number 5. Overhead crunch. The crunch is a must-abs exercise. This variation particularly highlights your stretched arms, which will make your body become longer, and in turn, makes the move more challenging. And the more challenging the exercise is, the more enhanced the results are. How to do. Lie on your back, stretch your arms over your head, until your body is in a straight line. Next, bend your knees, place your feet flat on the floor, and lock your arms. Finally, contract your abs and let your shoulders off the floor. What do you think about these exercises? Leave your comment on this video below. To learn more about the benefits of other workouts, try to watch these suggested videos. What happens to your body if you do 50 push-ups every morning? 5 benefits if you do a plank for 60 seconds every day. What happens to your body if you do squats every day? If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and share them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Body Healthy Elements. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.